Hi everybody, my name is Jurimbo. So today we're gonna be shooting a makeup using honey. So I decided to just think out of the box and do a different makeup. So I'm gonna be using honey on Chadigo Nation in Mt Pleasant. We're starting with the eyebrows and we're going to do a subtle look. Then later, after we're done, we put the honey. So now I've done eyebrows. Go on to eyeshadows. I'm using a water palette, the Kink and Teddy Fantasy shade. I'm now applying face powder to set the foundation. This is the final makeup for today. We've done a subtle makeup, then we end up putting honey. As we all know that honey has got that effect on the skin, so today I've chosen to do a different makeup, so that's why I use honey. I'll talk more about it in my blog and what's coming as well. I'll be explaining, but today I'm just focusing on the makeup.